Setting up Wi-Fi printing on the Epson XP 2105 printer allows you to print documents wirelessly from your computer, smartphone, or tablet without connecting a USB cable. Once the printer joins your home network, you can send print jobs from anywhere within Wi-Fi range using Epson software or mobile apps. The setup process only takes a few minutes and ensures your printer communicates smoothly with your router and devices for convenient everyday printing. And try these. Step 1. Turn on the printer and press the Wi-Fi button until the indicator light begins flashing. Step 2. Download and install the Epson Smart Panel or Epson Printer Setup software on your computer or smartphone. Step 3. Open the app or setup program and select the Epson XP 2105 from the available printers list. Step 4. When prompted, choose your home Wi-Fi network and enter the network password. Step 5. Wait for the connection confirmation, then print a test page to verify the wireless setup is working correctly.